just left PJ on the way heading towards One Ground Cameron Highlands for our first camping trip. And along the way, we will stop by in Bido for breakfast. So according to Waze, we have 1 hour and 6 minutes to reach Bido. Let's go. So after our breakfast, now we are heading straight up to Cameron Highlands. So using the old road going up from Tapa, and according to Waze, it will take us about 2 hours to reach One Ground at Golden Hills, Cameron Highlands in Brinchang. So we are almost reaching One Ground campsite. We are about 600 meters away. So we drove for about 2 hours from Tapa all the way up here. And then now we are turning into the junction. Alright, towards the campsite. So from here, it's only a 500 meter drive up. So this is the road heading up to One Ground campsite. And I suppose this will be the road that we'll be walking down to the night market later tonight. See, okay, I see the entrance of One Ground. Okay, very clear signage. There is a nice signage of One Ground. So I guess this is the parking area.